So, what was your favorite part of the camp?
I can't.
My favorite part was the performance because, it was a lot of fun to me.
Mostly the way the children are treated. They get a real sense of what it's like to be a performing artist, and they show them what it's like to be in the performing arts. They run auditions, they set up a rehearsal schedule, the students are all part of being in the production and just a whole part of the process, so they really get a sense of what it's like to be in the performing arts.
My favorite teacher is Kara because she taught us dances and she was encouraging us.
There are so many things I love about the programs. I love that it's local. I love the variety of songs and singing and dancing and the music and the instruments that you guys did, and everything you guys have brought into the community. I love that. I love the low cost or even free most of the time. I love this, just the sense of family that your guys' program brings here. Everyone loves to come. It's very happy. It's just a great environment to bring your kids to.
I've learned from Julian, our director, how to put more character into my roles. I've learned from Kara, the choreographer, a lot more advanced choreography than I probably ever would have learned anywhere else. And I've learned from everyone that I've worked with. Have more fun with my characters.
Join us from January 6th to January 10th at the Marysville Youth and Civic Center, 1830 B Street. Our camp is from 8 to 5 every weekday, Monday through Friday, and it is perfect for your kid ages 8 to 14. It's sure to be quite a show.